Custom orthotics, great quality footwear, and amazing customer service. That's been our model for 100 years.
This is what makes us Chiappetta Shoes.
Our business started back in 1921 on the foundation of building custom shoes for people with disabilities.
Fast forward to 2021, and we are honoring what our great-grandfather Pasquale founded, but building off the model to solving foot problems by making state-of-the-art custom orthotics.
We got Romans. We work hard, we're passionate, and we're driven.
We are shoe dogs. A shoe dog is an ultimate footwear professional, an expert in everything there is to know about footwear.
And we are fighters. Nothing is given to us, and every day is an opportunity to achieve. With the $50,000 prize, Chiappetta Shoes would love to be able to use that to help expand our online business into opportunities where we take our brick and mortar operation, scaling the custom and modification business that we do for over-the-counter inserts, and helping us grow our business into the future. The opportunity to take us from a 15-person operation into a 40 to 50 employee operation within a short period of time is very real. And for us to take that $50,000 would be a godsend. We would love that opportunity, and it would certainly help us speed up the process. Vote for Chiappetta Shoes, and don't forget,
Ain't no better than Chiappetta.